Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Crash Bandicoot 2. To finish the main story, your primary goal is to collect all 25 crystals. These are found across the game's 5 distinct warp rooms, with 5 crystals in each. You'll also need to defeat the 5 unique bosses to unlock access to new warp rooms and progress through the adventure. Remember to save your game after clearing each warp room to secure your progress. Beyond the main story, collecting all 47 gems is crucial for true completion. 42 clear gems are earned by smashing every single box in a level without dying. The remaining 5 are colored gems, obtained by completing specific, often hidden, objectives or secret paths. Keep an eye out for these secret routes, as they often lead to bonus areas or alternative exits that are essential for finding all the gems and fully exploring each stage. To truly master the game, you'll want to tackle the time trials and earn all 25 relics. After completing a level, re-enter it to activate the time trial. Your goal is to finish the level as quickly as possible, smashing yellow time crates to temporarily freeze the timer for 3 seconds each. Aim for gold or, for the ultimate challenge, platinum relics, which demand near-perfect speed and execution through every jump and spin. Achieving 102% completion means you've left no stone unturned. This grand total requires you to collect all 25 crystals, secure all 47 gems, and earn all 25 gold or platinum relics. It's a comprehensive challenge that involves exploring every secret area, finding every hidden bonus round, and mastering every level's unique mechanics. This ultimate accomplishment truly showcases your skill and dedication to the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.